Okay, the lesson I Won't Give Up by Jason Mraz. Okay, for on the second fret, okay, play first the intro. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky. Okay, that's our intro and the first line of the first verse. Intro chords are D sus 4 three times, and then A sus 4, and then A. Okay. First, on fourth string, open three times, and then second string, and then fourth string, and then fourth on the third, fifth on the fourth. So third and fourth, and then five and five, six, four, six. So, and then slide to second fret of third string, fourth fret of fourth string, and then so one, and then six, four, six, and then again pick the third and fourth string, and then six, four, and six. Okay, then the second time only open, only once, and then second fret, fourth fret, and then third and fourth, same picking. And then the third time, open three times again, and then first, fourth fret on the fourth string, second fret on the first string, open on the first string, and then A sus 2, two measure, and then A, once only. Okay, that's our intro. Now for the first verse, same chords, D sus 4, D sus 4. Okay, so when I look into your, when I look, when I look into your, when I look into your eyes. So you're the fourth fret on the third, fifth fret on the fourth string. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much much they open, hold a such sport. Okay, just like them. Oh, so you're the word all the all star. I see that you've come so far to be right, to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Okay, that's our first verse. The chorus, now we go to chorus 1. The chorus are G, D, B minor, A, and then back to G, D, and A sus 4 and A. Okay? Strum lightly, chorus 1. Strum lightly. I won't give up on us, even if the sky gets rough, and given you all my love. Still looking out, A sus 2. Okay, one beat only on A. And then verse 2. And when your knee being open, and when your knee open, your space to lose some navigate. I'll be her patiently waiting to see what you find. Okay, that's our second verse. And the next is the chorus 2. Same chorus as chorus 1. Cause even the stars, not this time you can strum it full blast. Cause even the stars, they burn silent fall to the earth. We got sooner. God knows when we'll no, I won't give up. I don't wanna be someone. Okay. For chorus two and chords, and then the strumming pattern is even this. So down, up, down. Cause even this play twice more, twice also for B minor, A twice also, B again, sooner twice again. God knows well what twice. Oh well, for G major 7. So for the chorus 2 twice, all are played twice, and then for G major 7, one of take up your routine hit, put it back, take up again. So that's one, two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 beats. Okay? Because the one measure is 4 beats. Okay, that's for the chorus 2. Now we go to the bridge. Bridge chords are E minor, 4 measures, A sus 4, 1 measure A, 1 measure A sus 2, 1 measure, back to A, 1 measure, and then A minor again for measures. For A sus4, one measure. A, one measure. For A sus2, one measure again. A, one measure, and then C for measures, and then A slash C sharp for measures, then C, this time two measures only, and then A slash 4 two measures, and then D sus4 one measure, D one measure, D sus2 one measure, and D one measure. Okay, so I'll play. I don't want, I don't want. I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easy. I need to stay and make the beautiful words that I can make. I bet transfers they do. I like to do some help to use the tools in which we got. Yeah, we got a lot to say. And in the end, you're still my friend. At least we like the need for us to work together, live together, learn. We have to learn how to learn without the word. Baby, I have to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up. Okay, so same strumming. Just remember for A minor, 4 beats, A sus 4, 1 beat, one measure. For A minor, 4 measures, A sus 4, 1 measure, A, 1 measure, A sus 2, 1 measure, and then A. And then the third and the fourth line is the same. And then C for measures, A slash C sharp for measures, and then go back to C, but this time 2 measures, and then A slash C sharp for 2 measures, and then D, 1 measure, D, this is 2, this is 4. Okay, for A slash 4, 2, 2, and 3 on the second string. Second fret on the fourth string, second fret on the third string, third fret on the second string. That's E sus4, and then A, and then A sus2, take off your ring finger, only the fourth and the third string, second fret, and then back to it. And then for G sus4, 2, 3, 3, 2 on the third fret, 2, second fret on the third string, third fret on the second string, third fret on the first string. And then D chords, take up your middle finger, second fret on third string, third fret on second string, back to D. Okay, so we got we had a lot to learn. So after bridge, we repeat the chorus. Chorus 1. Okay. I won't get same picking, same chords. Repeat chorus 1. I want the skies, get the rock. We got mine. And she looking up, she looking up. I won't give up. Chorus 3. On us, Now we go to again after chorus 3, repeat chorus 1. But this time it's not strumming, it's speaking. So I won't give up, I won't give up. Strum down and then third string, second string, first string, second string, third string. I won't give up on us, even if there's time. Get up and giving you my love. Still looking up. A sus chord and then A. Okay. Well, that's it. Okay. This is for I will give. Anyway, your lyrics can just just click the link for your lyrics and chords. Well, if you want it now, it's your lyrics and chords. Okay, and then this your okay, but still still you can click the link in the description box and you can get a copy of it. Okay. Now our next next lesson will be When I Was Your Man by Bruno Mars. Happy New Year. Okay. So no po. Into chords are D7, D minor, C, D7, D minor, C. Okay. Tell me about it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our songs on the radio, but it don't sound the same. Okay? We cannot make it longer. That's it. Just click the notification bell so that will the next time you get and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Okay?